बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आपके लिए नेक्स्ट सेट लेकर आ रही हूँ डेफिनेशंस के, जिसका पहला है प्रॉपर सबसेट। इफ ए एंड बी आर टू सेट्स दैट ए, then A is said to be proper subset of B. What is even numbers? All numbers that are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Next is integers. Integers are the set of all non-fractional numbers lying between minus infinite and plus infinite. Next, simple interest. If the interest is calculated on the original principle at any rate of interest for any period of time, then it is called the simple interest. Next, chord, a line joining any points on the circumference of the circle. The diameter will be the largest chord of the circle. Next, segment. A segment of a circle is a region enclosed by the chord and its corresponding arc lying between the chords and end points. Next is superset. If A is the proper subset of set B, then set B is called the superset. Natural numbers. Integers can be further subdivided into negative numbers and whole numbers. Whole numbers have two sections, zero and positive numbers, properly called as natural numbers. Common factors. A common factor of two or more numbers is that particular number which divides each of them exactly. Quarterly, when interest is calculated for every 3 months in a year. जब interest हर एक 3 महीना पर कैलकुलेट हो तब ऐसे को हम क्वार्टरली बोलते हैं. Secant. A secant is a straight line that intersects a circle at 2 points. Tangents, a line that touches the circle's edge of the end point. Single point is known as the tangents of the circle. Next, parallelogram, a quadrilateral in which an opposite sides are parallel and equal. Next, rhombus, a parallelogram in which all the 4 sides are equal. Next, equal sets. If A and B are two sets such that then A and B are said to be equal sets. Numbers, the number system that we can use in our everyday life is called decimal system. This is because there are 10 digits. Next, common multiples. A common multiples of 2 or more numbers is a number which is completely divisible by each of them. Half yearly, when interest is calculated for every 6 months in a year. जब इंटरेस्ट हर एक 6 महीने पे कैलकुलेट हो तो ऐसे को हम हाफ ईयरली बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, रेक्टेंगल है पैरेललोग्राम इन विच ऑल एंगल्स आर राइट एंगल्स. नेक्स्ट, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल विथ 4 equal sides and known as a square. Trapezium, a quadrilateral with 2 and only 2 parallel lines. एक ऐसा क्वाड्रिलेटरल जिसमें सिर्फ 2 ही पैरेलल लाइन्स हो और पैरेलल साइड्स हो. Isosceles trapezium, a trapezium in which non-parallel sides are equal. ऐसे ट्रापेजियम जिसका कि नॉन पैरेलल साइड्स इक्वल हो उसे हम आइसोसेलेस ट्रापेजियम बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.